Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity. Well, last night my car got another over-the-air update, completely free, version 2018.48.12.1. While the other automakers are busy producing cars with lots of buttons and big grills and expensive updates, if you're going to get updates at all, Tesla keeps pushing them out for free. And this time they brought the silly, the romantic, and the fun. So come with me and we'll go ahead and check it out together. All right, so again, that's version 2018.48.12.1, and this brings the romance mode and emissions testing mode. So we're going to pull down on the Easter egg tray, and then, boom, there we go. We've got a pretty full Easter egg tray now. So let's take a look at the whoopee cushion, and we get a couple of options here. Fart on demand. Press the left steering wheel control to fart. I can't even believe the car does that. It's absolutely crazy. I think it actually sounded like it was coming from the front right as well. Yeah, literally adjust the speakers to sound like that's where it's coming from. Okay, so, obviously you get someone in the car and you just kind of freak them out with that. The other thing here is it was on I'm So Random to start, but there's a lot of different choices here, and you'll see they pay homage to Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company. Not a Fart, Short Shorts Ripper, Falcon Heavy, Ludicrous Fart, Nura Stink, Boring Fart, and I'm So Random. So, let's see. There's a Short Shorts Ripper. That was not a fart. Falcon Heavy, I think, almost blew out my speaker. There's Ludicrous Fart, not bad. Nura Stink. And Boring Fart. All right, so I think emissions testing mode is absolutely hilarious. I just, whoever thought of this idea, it's all about fun, and that's just really funny. And then we have fart on turn signal. That I can't believe the car has this. So we'll see how long I can keep this on before it drives me crazy. But taking the kids to school today should be fun. I will be sure to use my turn signals. So I'll probably turn off fart on demand, and I will leave on the fart on turn signal for the kids. So we'll give that a go. You ready for the new update? Wait a second. What did you do? It sounds like you did something. All right, so got this campfire out there. Let's go ahead and check it out. So you'll notice some background noise. The air conditioning was off when I started recording. It just turned on, and I believe it's going to crank up the heat. The air's kind of still cool right now. We'll give it a minute. Yeah, the car's starting to get hot inside. Okay, now it's starting to get really hot, especially here in South Florida, where it is not so cold. I'll have to show my wife this update. This is also pretty cool. There you go. Tap the screen, get some nice romantic tunes. All right, so that's it. That's the new 48.12.1 update. I did promise one more thing, and we're going to have some fun with this. So let's go ahead and open up Teslatari. But we don't want to play lunar lander. We want to play pole position. All right, now check this out. We are actually going to play with the steering wheel. So press the brake pedal to accelerate and release to slow down. Scroll wheels will shift gears between low and high. Warning, do not use gear stock or accelerator pedal while playing. Unintended use may cause vehicle to shift out of park and start driving. Do not allow children to play unattended. These are good warnings. All right, well, we got to go full screen on this thing. Wow. There we go. We gotta try that one more time. Oh, Mars Madness. Well, you can tell I'm not very good at this game. But that's okay, we'll get better. All right, so there you have it again. 2018.48.12.1. This update brings the fun just in time for the holidays. You know, if you've got a Tesla, I am sure you're going to have this update soon. If you don't have a Tesla, this is a reason to get a Tesla. If you like this video and you'd like to see other videos like it, please always remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos. This helps my channel grow, and it helps me make sure I'm making videos that interest you all. If you're interested in ordering a new Model S, Model 3, or Model X, you can get 6 months of free supercharging with the current promotion using my referral code, Michael34469. You can provide that code to your delivery specialist, or if you haven't ordered yet, you can click on the link in the description down below and it will automatically apply the 6 months of free supercharging to your new order.